So Harmony One holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the Harmony One coin. What's the current price of Harmony? What's the price change to coin the Harmony? In this video, I'm going to show you. And my friends, the danger move of the one is coming soon. Danger move, my friends. Be alert and be safe from loss because the danger move of the Harmony is coming soon, my friends. So how you can save yourself from loss? In this video, I'm going to show you. Keep watch this video complete. And before starting this video, I request everyone, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Now, my friends, at this time, if we talk about the price of the Harmony One coin, so 0.063054 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Harmony One coin. And furthermore, if we talk about the price changes occurring in the Harmony, so now the latest last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occurring in the Harmony is positive, my friends. These all changes is going good in the Harmony One coin, but the people can't believe that how the Harmony One coin price will dump, my friends. But absolutely, the crash of Harmony One coin is coming soon, so be alert and be safe from loss, my friends. How you can save yourself from loss, and this video I'm going to show you. Just keep watching this video complete, my friends. You can see here, my friends, that from a previous 4 or 5 hours, the crash of the Harmony One coin also start, and still the price is Harmony One coin is going down, my friends. So I think that holding is the only way to save yourself from loss. I really recommend for everyone to please hold Harmony One coin for 1 month, my friends, for 1 month, for 2 months, for 3 months. That is how you can get a profit from Harmony One coin. But now at this time, you know what, the crash is continue for the next 1 week. That is my personal prediction about Harmony One coin, that the crash will continue for the next 1 week, my friends. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.